Hello and welcome all in a new video. In this video, we will see how to connect a PostgreSQL server with Power BI, and also we will see how to solve a problem of if you forget to provide password at time of connection, then how to recover that. Okay, we will find that on way. Let's see. So at first, what we will do, we will click on Get Data. It will provide us several options. So from database, we will go on PostgreSQL database. Here it's available, and we will click on Connect. It will give us a prompt to provide server name and database name. So we will check what's the server name and database name. We are going on PG admin. Here's on PostgreSQL. If we go on the properties under the general tab, here's a name. That's PostgreSQL 15, but this is not the actual thing. We should provide the name under connection. Here under connection tab, we can see that's host name and address that is given on localhost. So this will be the name to be provided on Power BI. So on the server name, we will provide this localhost. On in database, here's three database available. So we will connect to the cyclistic database. So we will give the name cyclistic on Power BI. Here's two types of connectivity mode available, import and direct query. In case of import mode, it will copy the whole database in Power BI. So the fact is that the querying will be faster, report generation will be faster, but the file size will be larger because it will create a copy. And in case of direct query, it will create a direct query connection with the server. And the thing that will do, it will generate everything on real time. Whatever the changes will happen on those server or the database, that will be reflected here. We do not need to refresh in this case. And the benefit that it will take very low space on Power BI file, but it will be a bit slower also. So we will go for direct query. Let's see. Here it is asking us for giving username and password. So this is the trick. If we somehow mistakenly do not provide the username and password and click on connect, it's asking us for a username wasn't specified. Okay, so we have to give a username. Let's give a username. Under the PostgreSQL to properties, under the connection, we will see this username is given Postgres. We will give this username on Power BI. Okay, I'm giving this name, and I am leaving the password empty, and I will try to connect. Let's see. We will give OK for encryption support. Now it's trying to be connected, but this is the problem. It is asking us that it's unable to connect and no password was provided. So if we just retry, it will not be able to connect. If we just try to give edit, it will bring us to the first screen. Everything is okay here, and if we go on OK, it will not provide us any scope to give us the password. That's the problem. We cannot give password in any way. So how to recover from this problem? Now we have to find out any way so that we can provide password here. So there's a solution. We have to go on the transform data, and under this we will get data source settings, and here we will find already connected data source localhost. From here we can edit permission, and let's see whether it will give us any scope to provide the password. Here it is showing us the name and password. In this case, in password, we will provide the actual password that we provided at time of setting up those PostgreSQL. I am providing my password, and now I will try to save it. Okay, close. Probably this time we will be able to connect the PostgreSQL. So I am trying it from here. From database, PostgreSQL database, everything is almost same. We just provided the password there. Now we will provide the same name, localhost. We will also go for direct query. Now you can see the connection is working, and it is just showing us the all the table available on the existing database. Another way we can solve it, if in data source, if we clear this connection, then we can get the option to provide password again on the front, from the front screen or the first and the second screen. Okay, so this is the way we have connected a database with Power BI from PostgreSQL. So if we just try to load the data, then we haven't established the connection yet. We just loaded and then canceled it. So it is not showing us yet. We have to connect that again. Now we will find the database. Now if we just, let's see, we will try to load the this table and it will be showing us this table. If we want to modify it in Power Query, then we will load, click on transform data. Unless if we just want to load it directly on the Power BI, you will click load. Okay, it's creating the connection. And after a while it has created the connection, and in this, on the left panel, in model view, we will find this whole table and all the fields of those table. And in report view, in the right side under data panel, we will find everything and we can create any visual out of this. So this is the way how we can connect a PostgreSQL server with Power BI and also solve a problem if we mistakenly do not put password at time of connection, how to solve that. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you on next video. Bye bye for this time.